complicated.
Hey, hello, what's up, guys? So today I'm gonna explain you about the trading section, lending and borrowing, which is being introduced by Bitbns as so-called called asset margin and trading in India. So it was launched in the 31st March 2018. As we see, for lending and borrowing, so we have an interest rate. So they said that they will be putting the interest rate for the borrowers, that is percent of rupees 0.055 percent is the borrowing rate for the borrowers to borrow. So what is exactly margin? Margin is the simplest form of loan. As you see, like if you have 100 XRP, like Ripple coins, and you can trade, so the 100 coins, where are the 100 coins going to, you gonna get the 100 coins? So they said that no, we are going to get the 100 coins by borrowing someone's 100 coins and giving them a return at the end of the period or end of the point, by the interest which is given for the 100 coins. The interest rate is like 0. Here is the interest rate 0.05, 0.055 for the, like, suppose time period of 1, 3, 7 or 15 or 30 days also. Let me give you an instruction about, let me explain you how does it work. So usually we have lending and borrowing. The lender gives the lender a lending amount, like for example, like 100 XRP is equal to 100 Ripple coins. So the borrower takes the 100 Ripple coins for the time period of today morning. The borrower returns it to the lender at the end of the day by also the interest rate of 0.055 percent by getting the loan. So here is written, case 1, by taking a home loan of rupees 40 lakhs, you buy a house worth rupees 50 lakhs, and the down payment you pay is rupees 10 lakhs. The 10 lakhs are in your hand, so you should pay the interest 10% per year at the end of the year. So you should pay, like for the bank 40,000 plus 4 lakhs. The interest of 40 lakhs per 10% per year is 4 lakhs, so you should pay 44 lakhs. So if suppose you assume that your house has gone to then such a value of 60 lakhs, the 50 lakhs it was and worth extra 10 lakhs it has increased by the year. So now you have like some around 60 lakhs in your hand of house value. So in return you should give the loan amount and the interest rate of 44 lakhs, and total profit would be like 6 lakh rupees in your hand by considering all the values. In other case 2, no home loan, you buy a house worth of rupees 10 lakhs and after 1 year you sell it for like 12 lakhs. So your total profit would be 2 lakhs, and do not get an extra profit of how much, 4 minus 6 4 lakhs by without the loan amount. So if you take this lending scheme or loan amount of like loan amount, you will be getting 6 lakhs. If you do not take any loan amount over here, you will be getting only 2 lakhs. Think you have 100 Ripple coins and you bought at 50 rupees, sold at 55 rupees per Ripple coin. So the Ripple coin would be like 500. Like suppose, wait, let me take my calculator. So yeah, here it is. So if you buy 100 Ripple coins for rupees 50, it would be 5,000 rupees, and if you sold at the rupees like 100 and you sold at 55, you will be getting 500 the profit. 500 minus 5000, it would be 500 profit. So what suppose if you have more 100 Ripple coins by the loan you have taken. So here it is, I have taken 200 Ripple coins. 200 Ripple coins, one is the 100 you have and other 100 you are taking from the lender. So into 55, that is gonna be 11,000 rupees. 11,000 minus 10,000 rupees, you get profit. And out of which for only 100 Ripple coins you have to pay 0.055% of rate of interest. So there is a small amount of rate of interest to it. So as a margin borrower, I can I withdraw my assets? So here it is. Yes, you can withdraw your asset. You need to be very careful through post withdrawing, or you're getting close to the freeze zone. So this is the freeze zone. Imagine, guys. So wait, let me take my calculator. Yeah, imagine you have the what asset rupees asset rupees 500, and you have borrowed asset rupees X, which is 200. Yeah, plus 200, it is gonna be 700, and you can only withdraw the amount of rupees 500 minus 500 minus the loan amount. What it would the 200 into 4, it gonna be 200 into 2, 400, and 400 minus 500, it would be 100 rupees. So you can only withdraw your 100 Ripple coins, Ripple amount, not all the 500 coins what you have put in the business. If you go to the loss, your amount or you cannot repay back the amount, your amount would be deducted in such a manner that your all the liquidity assets will be sold out to the other buyers out there. Your coins will be go to the lowest amount it can be possible, and how much ever amount they can inflate, they can take and give to the lenders, and the remaining amount you can keep it into your deposit. So this is an very risky job of margin trading. So here's the first question. He's asking that what if I cannot pay the loan interest? Sir, if you cannot pay the loan interest, your amount will be deducted automatically. Your liquidity, Ripple coins, will be given to the buyers out there, and it will be go to the lowest price, and how much amount they can be getting out, they will be getting out from that your Ripple coins, and they will be giving to the lenders automatically. So that is the way. And second is how will be the rate of interest will be given to the borrowers. Yeah, it has a mechanism where the rate of interest will be put down. The loan amount you want to borrow and the lender amount is wanna lend you should be matched. And third is for what amount should I give the interest, full profit or only the borrowed amount? Yeah sir, only for the borrowed amount you should pay the interest, not the full profit what you are making right now. So the fourth is will the rate of interest grow or increase? Yeah, guys, the rate of interest will grow. Like they have said that if the lenders and the buyers are getting day by day more or increase their gradual lending and borrowing process, the rate of interest will go on, they are saying. But as if now the rate of interest is only 0.055. So the fifth is, can I borrow and lend at the same time? No sir, you cannot borrow or you cannot lend at the same time, because they have an criteria that you cannot borrow or you cannot lend at the same time. This is it for, you can just write a comment down below in my video. Now thank you guys. Have a nice day.